Morning, greetings and salutations, YouTube. It's Hadrian here. Welcome to another episode of Vlogmas, day, I think it's 19. So I'm in the kitchen. I'm trying to clean up right here. I'm trying to figure out what to do with this stuff. I was looking for this platter because this is the one that I thrifted the other day, this past weekend. And now I have two of these amazing Target platters, so I'm very excited about that. I'm bringing out some, oh, you know what? I need to wash these. I just washed my new plates. These are so gorgeous. We're having a little Mary Poppins inspired themed dinner a la Ina Garden. Mom wanted to do one because she saw her have a little party on I think she was watching Food Network where she had that. But anyway, so I found these plates at the Goodwill. I got them. There are 10 plates, 10 for $10, which is crazy. I don't know. Did I show you? Like, I think these plates were like $36 or $38 each on replacements.com. So like, essentially, this is like $380 worth of plates, which is insane. I got them for $10 and they are beautiful. So I am so obsessed with them. They're Ainsley, England, fine English bone china, golden crocus, and these are those Tiffany's candlestick holders that I got, I think it was like the day after I found these. So I'm gonna wash these up actually because they're a little dusty. There's John. And yeah, I'm gonna start cleaning up this stuff right here, because I was primarily looking for this. Oh my gosh, you guys. Do you see how gorgeous they are? I'm like dead. They are so gorgeous. Once you polish them up, now I'm like obsessed with crystal because I got those Baccarat crystal cups and now I have these and they're like so shiny, so beautiful and reflective and amazing. And now I want like an amazing set of like crystal candle holders. So now that is like what 2019 is going to be about, the year of crystal. Anyway, oh, let me show you guys the front. I really wanted to show you guys the topiary or whatever these things are called that I was working on last night. This is how like they turned out. So there's those, there's that one, and then there's this one's like, this one is the first one that I did, and like the ones by the garage are like the bigger ones. Those two are newer. These actually like came with the house, and then we got those like months later, probably like 6 or 7 months later. So they're like a little thin still and like need to grow more. Plus I think there's something wrong with the watering system over there at one point and they almost died. And then here is this guy right there. So yeah. Okay, so as far as where I want to put the garland, I think I want to put the garland right here along the front. I think I'm not 100% certain if it'll even go there because I don't know how I'm going to hang it, but that's where I want to put it. I don't know, maybe it'll be cute, I'm not sure. But yeah. Guys, I feel like I didn't really anticipate them getting covered so much by the roses, but I still think it looks pretty cute. So we'll see how it looks at night when I light them up. Hopefully they'll look good. I think they'll look good. As long as they look good at night, I think that's all I really care about with like lights being there, because this is the only spot where I have like a plug to plug them into and the easiest place to hang these. So yeah, this is where they are right now. I feel like you can't even see them on camera. You guys came in from working outside and mom is making, what are they called? What is this called, mom? Braised short ribs. Oh, that looks so good. Yum, yum, yum. Alright guys, so right now I am going to cut and dye mom's hair. I know I dyed her hair last week, but she bought the wrong hair color dye and I was like, this looks like it's the wrong dye because it was like the number 3, but it was then what I normally use is a 3N and she got 3CH. So anyway, dyed it. It's weird. So we're gonna re-dye the roots again, which shouldn't be too bad. And then I'm gonna cut her hair. So I'm gonna cut her hair first and then we're gonna re-dye. Hey guys, this is how it looks right now. I'm gonna cut off, how much, Mom? Like an inch or 2 inches? And I'm gonna layer it a little bit more. And then we're gonna dye. Look what happened to the roots. It's weird. So I think we're gonna do the roots, and then I might refresh some of like the lighter pieces with the other color that we got, so that way it doesn't go to waste. Plus it's like a pretty nice color. So I think we'll do that. It's only around the top and perimeter anyway that it has that, so I'm just gonna mix up a little bit of it and then mix it all. And yeah. Guys, so here is Mom's new hair. It is, I don't want to touch it because she might get hair, but look at that. Whoops, there it is. We just have to dye it still, so. But look how short I cut it. In the meantime, check out this delicious chicken. So we are making the Ina Garden recipe that she made during her Mary Poppins themed party. So if you want that recipe, oh, we dropped a lemon. If you want that recipe, it's the same one she used. So I guess you can just look it up, probably on Food Network. Yes. But it's super easy: salt, pepper, lemon, onions, and what is that? Rosemary?
No, thyme.
Thyme. And that's pretty much it. And then you just oven roast it, and it should be delicious. Don't forget the butter. So we just put some in a saucepan, heat it up, and now we're just lathering it everywhere. Oh, that looks so delicious. Yum. Butter makes everything taste good. The potatoes that we're gonna be making later on too, these were just boiled and now they're sitting there to dry. And here are the string beans. Hey guys, so I'm setting the table for dinner tonight, and I don't know, Mom and I are just having some fun. We're not like, this is like not a special occasion really, just because every once in a while we like to do this because we're weird. But Mom's making the, like I said, the Mary Poppins inspired dinner party a la Ina Garden. She's adding a couple other things to it too, but I'm doing the table setting, and I just have my gold chargers, which these are actually from, where did Mom get them? I have no clue where she got them, but she got those. Then I just thrifted these plates recently, this past weekend, and they kind of remind me of like Mary Poppins' umbrella, like the white dress that she wore, and also kind of like a flower. So I love it, and I love the gold rim around the edges on it. It's so pretty. So I feel like looks really pretty right there on the charger. And then to top it off, I have these white Pottery Barn Emma salad plates. And I think like the scalloping kind of plays off of each other. The dots play off of that. So like I feel like it looks really pretty. It looks really cute. So this is like a fine porcelain, or this is actually bone china. Yeah. And then this is just regular, I think this is just like what is it? Like clay, or I don't know what is actually made of these Emma plates. But so I have that. That's like kind of like my little setup right now. And then I'm gonna do my gold spoon and forks, which I think are so gorgeous. I just love these so much. Nothing like too formal with these. I'm like, we're not gonna use all these utensils. We're not gonna use all the plates, but you know, every once in a while it's fun to be a little fancy, I guess. As fancy as you can get from all this stuff from the thrift store. But like honestly, like see, like can you believe that most of this stuff is from the thrift store? These plates, the dinnerware, like the forks and spoons, like do you guys remember those? The Tiffany's candlestick holders. I just washed them. They are gleaming. They're so gorgeous. So this is like my little setting right now. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Then I'm gonna get some glasses, and then we'll be all set. And I love how like it's paired with the benches. I feel like it gives it more of like a modern look. So I don't know, like just mixing and matching like traditional, modern, vintage, new, all that kind of stuff. All right, you guys, the table is set. Those are the only candlesticks I have. Like I bought them because they look like unicorn horns. So I'm obsessed with them, even though they don't really match. But you know what? We're going for like kind of like more whimsical right now anyway. And so this is the place setting. I can't believe. Okay, so the only things that are not thrifted in what you're looking right now is that glass, which we've had forever. I think those are actually from Pottery Barn, and then the chargers. This table was thrifted, but this countertop we put on separately. And this is also an old bench that we had. But look at the legs on that table, like it's amazing. So there you go. There is our table. I love it. Also, I was tasked with washing the chicken. There's like 12 seconds, 11 seconds, 10 seconds left. Look at that those chickens. There's 2, plural. They look so good. I cannot wait to eat, you guys. I'm like so hungry. Guys, the chicken looks so good. We flipped them, and then the potatoes are also in there now too. Also, can we please take a moment to look at how beautiful Mom's hair is? I just did it, and it is exactly how I wanted it to be. Like, look how voluminous it is. It looks so good. Look at the color refresh. Yes. Wow, Mom, you look like you have like a million pounds of hair. Let's look at this. Wow. Oh. Look at that, you guys. Gorgeous. Mom's looking at more recipes to try out. And I'm looking at her beautiful hair.
And then boil it.
Yes, and then
So they're already soft, kind of.
They're kind of soft. I just want them to be crispy.
We are done with dinner and finished cleaning up and everything. I set the table back up. Our neighbor came over and it was funny. Like, no one wanted to use any of my plates. So I was like, well, I'm just gonna reset it again and maybe we'll use it tomorrow. I don't know, but the food was so delicious. It was so good, and I'm so happy. I'm so full. That Ina Garden, what's it called? Mary Poppins dinner, so good, so good. Plus that beef, like Mom made the spare ribs, or are they spare ribs? Whatever they are. She added that. It was so delicious. Oh my gosh. So if you guys don't already follow her, add her. It's itsHadrian's mom, so you can get the recipe. But I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you guys again so much for watching. I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys all later. Bye. They have this juicy couture wallet. The little wallets we have in here. Kenneth Cole. Pell Studio. More juicy. Lotus? No. Perlina. Ooh, what is gold in there?